Hello and welcome to another video. It has been an exceptional year for copper prices, with LME prices breaking above 10,000 per ton for the first time since 2022. Prices have risen as a result of tightening mine supplies globally and a rise in green energy demand. Amidst this, I think now is the right time to invest in a small cap copper mining stocks, and one such stock is Metal Acquisition Limited. So, as we transition to a net zero energy future, copper is the new oil. Trading below $15, Metal Acquisition is a hidden gem waiting to be explored. What I really like is that recent reserve updates showed an increase of 64% in contained copper. Stock prices are likely to rise based on the company's ability to economically mine reserves as well as potential for further expansion. Now, recently, Metals Acquisition reported $467 million in underground capital development in its most recent report, reflecting a focus on the revised mineral reserve plan and greater rehabilitation measures throughout the quarter. The company has also been drilling since purchasing the CSA copper mine in June 2023, with the goal of expanding its high-quality reserves to support a revised resource estimate and mining plan. If we take a look at the insider transactions, recently Director Graham purchased 250,000 worth of stock at a price of 12.45, which is another possible sign that the stock may rise. But why this particular small cap? The small cap copper sector is projected to see the greatest percentage increases, with share values rising almost overnight as drills zero in on high-grade copper intercepts. So, with all that, I think the stock has a potential for 16% upside, and it can go towards its recent high of 14.11 before breaking to a new high. So I hope you liked this video, and if you do have any questions, do let me know in the comments below.